Hello, everyone, and welcome to this podcast where I will be discussing which one programming language is the best choice for learning. For my opinion, try to master yourself on Java language. Why? Let me share the key reason why Java is an excellent choice for anyone who want to learn how to code. Firstly, you have to choose that type of language which is not so easy and not so complex to learn. And also you have to choose that type of language which will help you to clear your basics so that if required you can easily learn other language without wasting too much time. Second, Java is used in a wide range of industries. Java is used for developing web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, gaming, and many more. Java is also used extensively in the backend of large enterprise and financial institutions. So this means that learning Java can open up many opportunities for your career. Now coming to third, Java has a large and supportive community. The Java community is known for its active participations in online forum, chat group, and Stack Overflow. This means that if you can need any type of help you can get from this type of forum. Now coming to the fourth one, Java is continuously evolving. Java is an actively developed language and the new features are added to the language in each release. So this means that learning Java will keep you up to date with the latest trend in programming and help you to stay competitive in the job market. And finally, which is my best, nowadays cloud technology like Salesforce is booming very high and very rapidly. And with huge opportunity and less competitions in market. And if you know Java, then you have already completed your 50% Salesforce cloud completing learning. So considering all the above factor make Java an ideal language for beginners who want to learn how to code, and also for experienced developer who want to keep their skill up to date. Java is the best one. If you want to learn how to code, then Java is excellent language to start with. I hope you found this podcast helpful. If yes, please do share and follow or subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. To get more kudos like this, please join my private AV group, like given in descriptions or comment. And next day I will share how you can master on Java very quickly and effectively.